Саламатсыздар ма? Hello. This lesson is about research paper, and the aim of the lesson is to teach students to talk about the scientific apparatus of research work. And the outcomes of today's video lesson. Students will be able to talk about scientific apparatus of research work. They will be able to conduct discussions, express opinions, defend with arguments, express agreement or disagreement. And also within this video lesson, we are going to study a lot of scientific expressions that are used in the scientific apparatus of any research paper. So first of all, scientific apparatus starts from presenting the topic of your research. And you can see the list of nouns, verbs, adjectives as adverbs that we use to present the topic. And as examples, you can see some sentences. For example, the paper deals with. You can continue these sentences by yourselves. For example, the paper deals with the problems of ecology. Or let's complete the next sentence. The study is devoted to problems of teenagers. So you can complete other sentences. Next information that we include into the scientific apparatus of any research paper, it is defining the purpose of the research. So the nouns like aim, purpose, task, goal, objective, they are used in this step. And verbs like reveal, establish, to be intended, to describe, they can also be used in defining the purpose of the research. Look at the expressions of phrases. Of course, these phrases are not full. You can continue just guessing the content of the paper. For example, the aim of the study is to determine the value. Please continue. The research is aimed at revealing the ways of. Also, please continue. The main purpose of the paper is to establish the regularities and the difference in. So, all these phrases are not complete. So you need to write, to continue these sentences at home. Next step is explaining the novelty of your research paper. Also, you can see the list of nouns, verbs, adjectives, and adverbs that can be helpful for explanation about the novelty of your research. Also, you can see the examples of, and these examples are not complete again, so you have to finish writing of these phrases. For example, the research compares favorably with. We intended to overcome the difficulty of. So please write them down on your notebooks. Next step is describing methods applied. This is also, you can see nouns like method, technique, approach, and the verbs, adjectives. So also you can see here examples like modern methods of scientific analysis have been applied. The approach is especially helpful when the technique is best suited in evaluating. Now, describing your findings. So here we can see a lot of nouns and verbs, adjectives that you can use in your writing. And also, you can see structure of the sentences, like it was found that the findings are in agreement with the influence of, obviously, it's due to the fact that also you need to complete them at home. Next one, reporting the results of your research, drawing conclusion. For drawing conclusions, you can see examples. Okay, let's choose some of them. Therefore, we came to a conclusion that, to sum up, it is concluded that as a consequence, a conclusion is made. Next is recommendations. Recommendations for further research or application. Also, you can see the examples, how you can use them in your speech. For example, the findings may find practical application in. It's suggested that should be. The present investigation enables us. Additionally to the expressions, to the possible expressions that you can use in scientific apparatus, please also complete this exercise at home. You are asked to finish the following sentences with the information on your own research project. For example, what is the purpose of your paper? What does your paper deal with? What methods you are going to use? Please do this assignment at home. And also you have a speaking assignment. You are asked to speak on your research paper, dwelling upon the following issues. Composition of the dissertation, problems discussed in the introductory part, about novelty of your research, about research methods applied, about your findings, anticipated results, assessment of the results obtained, practical application, possibility for further research, your reports, articles on the problem under research.